Reopen tourist destinations in the state in a phased fashion. In Munnar, in the Eravikulam National Park, the largest habitat of Nilgiri Thars is now open for tourists, but with COVID restrictions. Here's a news report coming in.
If you are in Munnar, an 8-kilometer ride will take you to Kerala's first national park. A 100-square-kilometer natural forest paradise. After several months, the Eravikulam National Park, home to the Nilgiri Thars, has opened to public again. If the tar, which was hunted down to just a few hundreds, has survived, then the credit goes to this national park.
It is a home for the endemic species Nilgiri Thar also, and most number of Nilgiri Thar are found in Eravikulam National Park. We are taking our best to conserve this endangered endemic species in the Western Ghats.
A shy animal otherwise, here in Eravikulam, the tar is comfortable among humans.
One of the most unique attractions of Eravikulam National Park is the presence of Nilgiri Thars. This is one of the most unique creatures on earth, and there are just about some 3,000 of Nilgiri Thars which are existing on this planet. Now you can actually see this wonderful creature walking around this area, which is allowed for tourism. Tourists are actually allowed in Eravikulam National Park in compliance to the COVID-19 protocols, and usually during the season, during the peak season, you would see hundreds of these thars roaming around this area, giving a wonderful sight to the tourists who have come here.
Tourists are elated that the Kerala government has opened the gates to this exotic zone.
We can see the tar. We see the one tar here and one katupotu. Bison. Bison is also we seen. And then the very good waterfall is here.
Feel very delighted because government is planning to reopen most of the ecotourism sites, and feel excited to be a part of it.
It's very happy to actually last Corona always the depression was gone down, so it's great opportunity to have something like this.
The revival of the Nilgiri Thars has been the single focus of the forest department in Eravikulam.
We have a patrolling schedule and camping schedule also. So we will rotate the persons there, and 1 week we will rotate the entire staff and protection watchers there. So we are camping inside and we are patrolling the boundary and the inner areas, and thereby taking a special effort for the conservation of this animal.
Except for 2 months from January, when the Nilgiri Thars breed, the park is open to visitors. For park officials, the long lockdown because of the pandemic meant no visitors. They are happy that Eravikulam is humming again.
Tourism in Munnar is getting a new lease of life thanks to the gifted nature which is abundant with flora and fauna. In Eravikulam National Park, the Nilgiri Thars themselves are welcoming back the tourists who have been in lockdown for more than a year now. With camera person Tinku Rajshekharan, Gopikar